All right, what is up, everybody? Your boy John Deere Man 22 here, and I'm back for Harvest 2022, day 2. Finding all these freaking rocks. It's just fucking great. So we got done with this field, and we're detaching the bean head now. So yeah. And when hold on here.
See that wheel over there? Spin it now. Good? Yep. Good. Go ahead just a little bit. That's all right. Gotta go a little more. Stay there. Yeah. Gotta go ahead more. Head more. Oh.
I was holding the freaking wheel over here so that way it wouldn't roll. I was holding that wheel over here so that way it wouldn't freaking roll.
I'm gonna drive the tractor wagon up there, but I gotta get my pickup. I have to move Brian's pickup. I moved out of the way.
Alright. So, anyway, we're gonna try and do some beans across the road. So, yeah. And he made it across the creek. You know, Pops, it'd be 10, you know how it'd be 10 times easier? You hook the bean head up to the back of the wagon and then you'll be,
Man, I gotta have that strap
Oh.
in the back of my pickup.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Strap it down with safety.
Oh. Mind if I stick around down here? Because you're just gonna be coming right back down with the truck. So yeah, anyway. yeah, it was kind of one of those whacked out days. But we, like I said, we got done with this field. There's still rocks, you know, laying around out here. Of course, I got my water sitting there. And there, you got, well, there you go. You guys can actually see him a little bit. But, you know, Brian's heading back up to the yard now with the combine. And then, yeah, so, got the bean head back on the cart. We're gonna try some beans across the road. But yeah, so far I'm liking this already because just some damn good content. And it'll be damn straight too. So anyway, yeah. So Papa doesn't have a full load. We just dumped what was left on the combine. So yeah, there we go. You guys can see me a little better. So I just got done with work not too long ago. Yeah. Everywhere over here is a mess. You guys can see that dark spot. There's some beans way over there. Oh, freaking boy, eh? So, yeah, the reason why you guys went, the reason why you guys were looking up at the sky was because of, was because we had to hold the bean head, because we had to hold the cart still, so that way it wouldn't roll when we were putting this on. Now, this bean head right here is a 625F Hydroflex bean head. We've had it for, I don't know how long they've had it, but they've had it for a while. Yeah, so there's just, so yeah, there's more harvesting action to come. Jeez. So my grandpa, he headed back up to the farm. He's heading back up to the yard because he's got to get the truck. Well, he's got to get his pickup, bring that down here. And when he gets near, when he comes back down here, we have to strap it down. And then we have to, we haul it back up to the yard. Then we're going to put it back on and try and do some beans down across the road, which I'm going to try and get some footage over there if I can. So, yeah. So, anyway. Anyway, yeah, yeah, my grandpa's probably, I don't know when grandpa's coming back down to get the bean head. I can still hear them up there. So anyway, we had a little break on the combine, but nothing too serious. Just a finger broke. So anyway, we'll try and deal with it later, or now, or whenever Papa decides that they're gonna fix it. So yeah, anyway, I don't know how long I'm gonna film for. I'll probably make this a part one. Probably make this part one, and then I'll bring you guys probably back in part two. I know but I'm not gonna end the video just yet. So yeah, as you can tell, it's short sleeve weather right now until it gets dark, and then it'll be sweatshirt weather, and my gosh. So yeah, but so far beans are doing great. My grandpa, I don't know where the heck he's at. Crazy doofus is oh, here he comes now with the truck. So anyway, yeah, but I guess I'm gonna help him hook this. I'm gonna help him hook this son of a bitch up, and then I'll see you guys in part 2.